let's pull a handle. So first you get your clay, you don't need very much. And I'm just gonna like smush it into like a little volcano shape or like a teardrop shape. You just want one end to taper like this. Then what I'm gonna do is bring my water right here, my cup, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna pull the clay right through here. So I'm gonna go like this and I'm gonna just go straight down. So I go 1, rotate, 2, water. 1, rotate, 2, water. 1, rotate, 2, water. And so I'm squeezing right up here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Oh, I accidentally ripped it off. That's okay, just keep going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And notice how my hands are mostly straight. I don't go like this. I go like this, and it goes right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. And then when I think it's long enough, this looks pretty long, I'm going to go this way, kind of the same direction a couple times. Make it flat like a handle. And I'm going to go like this, and I usually pinch right here. And then if I take this, I can attach this straight to my project, or I can stick it on the table and like let it dry like this, or I can put it whatever way that I want.